Hey guys, finally. Bye bye room. Gonna miss you. Bye bye. Ta-ta. See you soon. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Peace out. What's up, Bibul? Oh yeah. Bipul, वाला वीडियो याद है? Oh yeah. Check this out, guys. Hi people, so we are just heading back. It's time for some venture now. What we'll do is basically, you guessed it right, rafting. It's gonna be fun. Just look at the road. Road less taken. Bipul is with me.
Hi, good morning.
What's up, Bipul?
I'm fine.
Food was good yesterday, right? It was just awesome. Catch you guys later. Again, the same bridge here. We clicked some pictures yesterday, right? Gonna click some more. Catch you. Peace out. This is good, man. Really beautiful. Check this out.
So wonderful nature and hanging this.
This is beauty. Real beauty. Check this out. Make it play. What's up, people? Really a long road, about more than a kilometer here in the woods. Still, the road less taken. Seriously, guys, यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. काफी बढ़िया, मतलब rather than staying in a hotel, they charge you almost the same thing, right? Good food, nature, and it's just you and nature over here. No pollution, no cars, no honking. Yeah, there is a sound of cheering. A lot of birds cheering around you. So on morning 5 o'clock it was like beautiful. I woke up at 4:30, I guess, and loved it. I'm gonna come again with my friends over here. At least if you could make a group of 5 or 10, makes sense. You can do a lot of bonfire activities, dances, play some games over here. That will be fun. See you in a while. We came from here. Surprise, surprise, guys. We parked our vehicle yesterday over here. Not see any vehicle. I guess we need to walk even further. So it's more than 1 kilometer we have already walked. About 1.5-2 kilometers. I guess we're gonna walk another kilometer, I guess, to the main road over there. I think the vehicle is parked over there. Let's see. Hey guys, finally all suited up. That's our boat over there. Me and Bipul ready for this. Jai Ganga Maiya ki! Bipul!
Jai!
Ganga Maiya ki! See you down, man. Look at them. We're getting down? Yes. This is Bipul already. He's obsessed with cricket all the time. And it's me. Whew. Look at natural stairs, man. Ooh, ooh. Just slipped a bit. Oh yes. Bipul, I just creepy Bipul on the camera. I just caught you. See you downstairs, man. Look at that. Woohoo! Whoa, what's up, people? This is fun. Just gonna go there and dive into river. Ganges, Ganga. Continue. Oh. Fast. Slow. Peace out, man. Peace out. हो गया?
सारे लोग इधर देखो, तो आगे की तरफ क्लोज हो।
ये पकड़ना। बैठ जा। बैठ जा। साफ। गौरव इधर देख। 3 cheers, गंगा माई के! गंगा माई के! गंगा माई के! What's up? वीडियो बनाने दे दो। आराम से उतरो। इस तरफ भी है। फोटो। ये ले भाई। अरे ब्यूटी इधर भी भाई। गंगा मैया के जय! गंगा मैया के जय! गंगा मैया के जय!
जाओ जिसको जाने।
What's up?
भाई एक फोटो भी ले लेना वीडियो।
नहीं वीडियो ठीक है, फोटो हो जाएगा अपने आप। वीडियो बना दो। गंगा मैया की! गंगा मैया की! हर हर महादेव! नीचे पैर चिपका ले बोर्ड के अंदर। भाई को सेहत फसती होती है, किडनी बेचना पड़ता है। What's up? Bipul? हाँ। क्या चल रहा है? हर हर महादेव! गंगा मैया के! गंगा मैया के! गंगा मैया के! हर हर महादेव! हर महादेव! जय भोलेनाथ! Bye bye! What's up? मंडो भैया बढ़िया वीडियो बन रहा है। मंडो जैकेट हो गया भाई। उसको पैर फंसा ले नहीं भाई। हाँ फंसे। गंगा मैया के! गंगा मैया के! गंगा मैया के! गलती ले ले। भाई राहुल बना दो। सुपरमैन चलो सारे सुपरमैन। What's up, guys? We are back, and the rafting was fun. Jumped into water thrice, right? And there was total 6 rapids that we have crossed. It was fun. People again. Sup? I think it was fun, right? बहुत मज़ा आया. Like छोटा था ये, अभी बंद हो गया है. 12 किलोमीटर का आई गया हमने रैपिड किया. रैपिड नहीं, राफ्टिंग. एंड वैसे हम 24 करना चाह रहे थे, पर अभी था नहीं, अलाउड नहीं है. And the best part is, we were so worried if we will be able to make the videos or not, but thank God I somehow did enough, picked up my mobile and just clicked up some pictures and videos. See you guys. हम भी करके आएंगे. नहीं, वो आगे से लाते हैं ना, यहीं से स्टार्ट करवाते हैं. आपको बैठने में जाने के लिए बहुत से लोग जाते हैं. उससे आगे कितने किलोमीटर? 12-15 किलोमीटर ले जाते हैं. पता नहीं. Hi, what's up, people? We just came by this boat from that ghat over there. So it was a long walk from there to this. This is the famous Ram Jhula of Rishikesh, right? So it was a long walk from there. What we did is basically spent $20. We got into that steam, basically whatever, motorboat. Just landed up here. Through that. Now just gonna cross this. Catch you guys. There are a lot of monkeys over here. You can see this is Ram Jhula. So, looking completely exhausted here.